Hi guys, so today in this video we're going to do something a little bit different. This underground strategy I'm about to share is currently making me some cool cash. So here is how it works. It's a 3-step strategy, and be sure to follow every step. This is how you get to make money with affiliate marketing. This simple strategy is sure to make you a minimum of $500 every day. And the good thing is that you can actually use this strategy for any other affiliate marketing platform, like Digistore or Max Bounty, with any products of your choice. So you need to pay very close attention and make sure you do not skip any part of this video, because I will be giving you some bonus tips to help you grow your affiliate marketing business. And if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, then this is going to be the best video you are ever going to see on the internet, because you are just about to make your first sale. But don't take my word for it, let's get started. Right now, let's head over to Clickbank. If you don't know Clickbank, then you must be new to affiliate marketing. Clickbank is an e-commerce platform and affiliate marketing place that connects you with other people's products. You send traffic to the product sale page, and when a sale is made, you get a commission. You don't have to think about handling shipping, delivery, or customer service. This is the best business model to make money online. So if you don't have an account, you need to sign up, and if you are an existing user, you can always log in. And this is the marketplace where you get to find that $1 million product. So there we are. Clickbank has a lot of niches you can choose from. You can go with any niche of your choice, but for this strategy to be effective, we will go with the popular niches that have a lot of traffic, and that will be the health niche. Now that we have chosen our niche, the next step is to scroll through to look for a product. The Clickbank Marketplace makes it easy to understand how a product is performing, so you wouldn't market blindly. Products are in 2 categories: rising and trending products. The rising products are those that just got into Clickbank with no sales history yet, while the trending products are those that are performing so well with a good sales record, or history, so to speak. So for this strategy to work, I will go with the trending product. So you can sort by gravity from highest to lowest, and that's it. These are very good gravity scores. It shows that a lot of persons are putting in so much effort, money, and time marketing for these products. And as smart affiliate marketers, we need to go with the product with the highest gravity score. You can see the commission is about $150 just for one sale. So, as the rules say, whenever you pick a product, it is essential for you to read what the product is all about. This will help you with your marketing strategy. And this product is all about weight loss, targeting liver fat, and does have some health benefits too. This is the affiliate page where you get ads, creative materials, and your affiliate link. So right now I'm going to open a notepad and paste the product name, our affiliate link, and a little description if you have any. On to the next phase, a bit of research. We do not want to do guesswork. We would rather work with facts and real-time statistics to know more about the product. Over to SimilarWeb, paste the product name here, and click on the search button. SimilarWeb is going to tell us more about the traffic source of this particular product and other vital information needed to make money with Live Pure. This does have a good monthly visit. Traffic is mostly coming from the USA, Brazil, India, and others. The audience demographics are quite large. The good thing about this product is that people are spending money on ads, which shows it is working. And both paid and organic search have the same percentages, which makes it more interesting. This is a display ad, and scrolling down is social media traffic. We will be using the social media traffic insights for this strategy, and that will be Facebook. It does have the highest traffic source. YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp aren't bad, but we will stick with Facebook, so we have gotten the information needed to get started. Right now, we'll head over to the Facebook Media Library. I know you might be saying to yourself, what exactly are we going to do here, right? Don't worry, we are not running an ad. It's just part of the strategy. Remember, Facebook has the highest social traffic source, right? We are looking out for people who are constantly running ads for Live Pure. Look out for ads that have been active for a while. That shows they are successful and generating sales. And all we are going to do here is copy all the creative ads, including images. Obviously, a lot of persons must have seen these ads, so it is easy to capture their attention again. So, save it on the notepad. This information we are gathering will give us an edge over other marketers because we are using what is working. We aren't starting from scratch, which makes us a very smart affiliate marketer. Now head over to Google and search for the product name Live Pure. We have both articles and videos here, but we are here for the best ranking article, don't worry. You aren't writing any articles by yourself. Rather, you will be leveraging AI, so be sure to choose the first or second post. Then copy the article and paste it into Word Counter to keep track of the word count and keyword frequency. Be sure not to go below this article's standard. Ensure that you keep yours at 5,000 words too. Copy the article and send it over to ChatGPT to assist you with rewriting the article using this prompt. It is like paraphrasing, but I would rather tell ChatGPT to rewrite. Now you have gotten ChatGPT to rewrite the article for you. How fast was that? Really fast, right? So, having successfully selected the best product in the Clickbank Marketplace, getting creative ads from a winning ad copy in the Facebook ad library, and getting a well-written article from ChatGPT. Now the question is, how do you even drive traffic to your affiliate link so you too can start making money? Ready to send targeted traffic to your affiliate link? Simply head to canva.com. We chose canva.com because it has a high domain authority, which is a plus. However, this is not the strategy. We are not relying on canva.com to help generate traffic. Rather, we are only leveraging its high domain authority to even double our sales. Click on website and then choose Create Blank. So this is the interface. It's clean and easy to use. I will choose the best fitting template to begin with. And feel free to choose any template of your choice. To add to the page, click on Add Page. I will add as many as I can. Delete the template and paste the article ChatGPT generated. So get used to these features. They're pretty straightforward. So watch me arrange this blog post. I will import the picture too and embed our affiliate link. I will also do this for the call to action. When you are done, click to preview for satisfaction and also check the mobile version to see if it displays well. Now click on the Publish Website button. We don't have a domain, so click on the Free Domain button to proceed. Then use the product name as your domain name, Live Pure. For SEO purposes, write a product description in here, then click on the Publish button. Congratulations, you just created a blog using canva.com. How easy was that? Well, it looks pretty neat with no distractions. And when you click on the image, it takes you to the product sales page. So, we are getting to the end, and if you are getting any value from this video, please hit the like button. And if you will take action now, then hit the subscribe button so I can always put out more strategic marketing tips for you. Thanks. Now we are all set to drive well-targeted traffic to our affiliate link. On a free social platform that has over 75% of women, according to Statista, with 85% of users making purchases, which is huge. This is a good market for us. Now head over to Pinterest, the seventh most popular social media platform in the US. Sign in for a business account if you are not a user yet. I already have an account, so I will just log in. Now click on Create and select Create Pins. Remember the ad creative we got from the Facebook ad library, right? Now paste the ad copy here. And also paste our blog post link from canva.com, including the image that we copy. Everything is looking pretty, and we are all set to go live. And create a board and name it, if you haven't, to house all your pins. Then click on the Publish button. So this is what the page will look like when someone views it. And when they click on your image or the call to action, it takes them to the product sale page. And whenever someone buys, you will get around $150.